Assalamualaikum. My name is Mehreen Aman. Today I will show you how to run different commands on Google Colab. So first of all, we will open Google Collaboratory from our browser. Type import pandas as pd. These are the libraries of Python. Import numpy as np. Run this command and then to authenticate the drive, type from google.colab import drive. Enter. Oops, sorry. Next, drive dot mount. Slash G drive. Run it. This is a link to authenticate our drive. Select your account. And then select allow. This will take a while. Then copy this code and paste it right here. Enter. Here you go. This is the code and our account is authenticated. Now we will move toward the next step. We will insert where our path exists. For this I will type file space equal to space r slash g drive. Just make sure you did not make the mistake of capital or small letters. You have to type M in capital letter and D in capital letter. Most of us make this mistake, and this is run the command, and there you go. This is the data of diamonds4.csv, as you can see. Then we will run different commands. For example, diamonds.mean. In order to calculate the mean of this data, we will type diamonds.mean and run this command. There you go. This is the mean of this data. Now we will type next command, that is diamonds dot describe. You may use the describe method to return both the summary statistics and a few of the quantile at once. This is the next function, sum function. Another function. Guys, this is a very useful gadget. You can see it can save us a lot of time. This is the count function. This is now the quantile method exists to calculate an exact quantile of numeric data. There you go. Guys, now we will save this notebook in Drive. Save a copy in Drive. Select this option. I am creating a copy. Now your notebook is saved in your Drive. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.